For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
The Indian government has accused the Pakistani government of blocking all legal remedies in the case of Kulbhushan Jadhav. India charged Pakistan of blocking access to Kulbhushan Jadhav a day after the Pakistan government filed a petition in the Islamabad High Court to appoint a lawyer to represent Jadhav for filing a review petition against the death sentence. India also alleged that Pakistan is not providing documents related to the case, which is a violation of the international court order. Pakistan has blocked all the avenues for an effective remedy available for India. Pakistan has completely failed to provide the remedy as directed by the ICJ, and India reserves its position in the matter, including its rights to avail of further remedies. The meeting of consular officers with Sri Jadhav on 16 July was scuttled by Pakistan authorities. The consular officers were instructed not to hand over any document to Sri Jadhav. Hence, the Indian consular officers could not obtain a power of attorney from Sri Jadhav. Anurag Srivastava added that Pakistan has failed to provide unimpeded consular access to India. India has so far requested consular access 12 times over the past 1 year. However, Pakistan has so far not been able to provide an unimpeded consular access. India has repeatedly requested Pakistan for relevant documents related to the case of Sri Jadhav. Pakistan advised India that the relevant documents could be handed over only to an authorized Pakistan lawyer. Thereafter, India appointed a Pakistani lawyer to obtain the relevant documents. To our surprise, as advised by the Pakistani authorities, when the authorized Pakistani lawyer approached the concerned authorities, they declined to hand over the documents to the lawyer. As a last resort, India tried to file a petition on July 18th for an unimpeded access. However, Pakistani lawyer informed the Indian External Affairs Ministry that the review petition could not be filed in the absence of a power of attorney and supporting documents related to the case. Although these are no official statements on India's next step, several media reports have hinted that India might approach the International Court of Justice. On May 20th, the Pakistan government had promulgated an ordinance on May 20th to allow foreign citizens convicted in the country the right to file a review petition in courts. The ordinance was aimed at complying with the ICJ's order for the review of Kulbhushan Jadhav's case. However, according to Anurag Srivastava, the move has just created more confusion. Pakistan's actions had led to confusion. Pakistan created confusion over the last date for filing a review petition, initially saying it was July 19th before changing the date to July 20th. Pakistan took 2 weeks to inform India about the ordinance and shared the copy of it only after a request from New Delhi. In April 2017, 50-year-old retired Indian Navy officer Kulbhushan Jadhav was sentenced to death by the Pakistani military court on charges of espionage and terrorism. The International Court of Justice, based in Hague, ruled in July 2019 that Pakistan must undertake an effective review and consideration of the sentence of Kulbhushan Jadhav.